Today we're going to learn how to write a proper business email in English, how to start it properly, and how to avoid common errors and write a polite and good business email. So these are the things not to do in a formal situation with people you don't know well. Definitely don't do these. So I would say avoid hi, hello, definitely hey. It's a bit too informal and it can be a bit disrespectful, especially if you don't know the person. Next one, just saying their first name with a comma. Again, it's really a bit too informal, and yeah, avoid that one. No name, this is even worse. That is very disrespectful and is something that should be totally avoided. How would you feel if someone didn't say your name? Anyway, and even worse, the biggest crime ever is to spell somebody's name incorrectly. There's no excuses. Look on LinkedIn, look at their email address, look how they've written it, get it right. Okay, this is how you should do your business email. The old and trusted favorite, dear first name or dear Mr. last name. It's absolutely great. And of course, to who it may concern. This is also quite a handy one if you don't know the person you're writing to, for example, for a job position. And maybe a touch more informal, but maybe with your colleagues or something like that. Dear all, when there is a collective email, is a nice way. So these are all great formal ways to do your writing. Okay, great.